Hey guys, in this video I am gonna show you how you can connect external keyboard and mouse to your Mac Mini M4. So this is my external keyboard and mouse combo pack and the brand is Repro brand. So now let's unboxing the keyboard and mouse. So first I am going to connect my dongle. This is USB dongle. Let's connect it. So to connect we need a converter. So this is the converter. So first we need to connect it and then input the converter. Now let's turn it to dongle and let's see, and there you go, we can connect it successfully our mouse. Now let's go to our keyboard, turn it to dongle, and let's see, this is working. So now first we need to unlock this. So first time you need to just tap and hold, and then you can see it's finding, and there you go, we have successfully connected our Bluetooth. Now let's turn it to Bluetooth, and then it's searching, and you can see the Repo keyboard. Just click on that and connect it, and there you go, we have successfully connected our Repo keyboard. Now unplug this dongle and you can see it's working wirelessly. So that's how you can connect external keyboard and mouse. So this is Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. So hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.